Hello children, welcome back to online classes. Myself Mrs. Jyothi Kale from Upper Public School CBSE Kalburgi. So today I will continue the lesson number 6, our teeth and microbes of class 4 subject science. Lesson number 6, our teeth and microbes. So before starting today's content, let's have a quick revision of the previous class. In the previous class, can you recall children, what did you learn? Yes, we learned about teeth. First, we learned about the teeth. What are teeth? Yes, can you recall what are teeth? Teeth are they are the hard structures present in our mouth. What are teeth? They are the hard structures present in our mouth. And we also learned that they are the hardest part of our body. The teeth are the hardest part of our body. And we have also learned about the sets of teeth. So how many sets of teeth we have? Yes? How many sets of teeth we have? We have 2 sets of teeth. So they are, first set is called as milk teeth and second is called as permanent teeth. Which are the 2 sets of teeth? Milk teeth and permanent teeth. And milk teeth, how many milk teeth are there children? Yes, how many milk teeth? Milk teeth are 20 in number. And whereas permanent teeth, they are 32. How many permanent teeth? They are 32. When do the milk teeth, when do they appear? Yes, when the baby will be of 6 months, the milk teeth begin to appear. And as the child grows at the age of 2 years, the child will have 20 teeth. Whereas permanent teeth, when do they appear? So as the child grows at the age of 6 years, the milk teeth, they begin to fall off. And the new set of teeth will grow in their place. And this new set of teeth is called as a permanent teeth. After the year of 20 years, a person may have 32 teeth. And this set of 32 teeth, it is known as permanent teeth. And we also learned about the functions of teeth. So we already know that the teeth, they help in chewing the food. Apart from this, they give shape to our face and they also help us to speak clearly. And these are the functions we have learned about the teeth. And also one more point, the doctor who takes care of our teeth, what is he known as? Can you remember children? The doctor who takes care of our teeth? Yes, the doctor who takes care of our teeth, he is known as a dentist. What is he? He is known as dentist. So, in today's session, we will learn about the types of teeth. What is it? The types of teeth. So, let's start now. Then look at your face in the mirror and look at your teeth in the mirror. What can you observe? So we see the teeth in the mirror. Are all the teeth, are they same all? Yes, are they same? No, they are not same. That means they are different. The teeth are different. How they are different? In what way they are different? They are different in size, they are different in shape, and they are different in function also. So, today we are studying about different types of teeth. So children, we have 4 different types of teeth. How many types of teeth are there? We have 4 different types of teeth. So let us learn what they are. First type, they are called First type of teeth, they are called as incisors. What are they? They are called as incisors. And second type of teeth, they are called as canines. Second types of teeth, they are called as canines. And third type of teeth, they are called as premolars. What are those? The third types of teeth, they are premolars. And fourth type of teeth, they are called as molars. What are those? They are called as molars. So how many types of teeth we have? We have 4 types of teeth. First one, incisors. Second type, canines. Third type, premolars. And fourth one is molars. So how many? 4 types of teeth we have: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. So I will explain the types of teeth with this chart now. Okay? Can you see the picture here, children? Can you see the picture? Yes. So here you can see 2 sets of teeth here. How many sets of teeth here? 2 sets of teeth. So here, this first set of teeth, this one, it is the set of milk teeth. What it is? It is a set of milk teeth. And second set of teeth, this is the set of permanent teeth. What is it? Set of permanent teeth. And we know, children, how many jaws we have? Yes, how many jaws we have? We have 2 jaws. So we have 2 jaws. This one is the upper jaw and this one is the lower jaw. Got it, children? 2 jaws are first upper jaw and lower jaw. And see how the teeth, how they are fixed on the jaw. See, so that's why the teeth, we say that the teeth are embedded in the jaws. It is a jawbone here, 2 jawbones, and here the teeth, they are arranged on the jawbone. And we already know that how many permanent teeth we have? So how many we have? Yes, we have 32 permanent teeth. How many? 32 permanent teeth. And all these 32 teeth, they are arranged equally. How they are arranged? They are arranged equally on the upper jaw and lower jaw. So 32 teeth, they are arranged equally on the upper jaw and lower jaw. That means that both upper jaw and lower jaw, it has equal number of teeth and same type of teeth. Got it, children? Both upper jaw and lower jaw, they have equal number of teeth and similar type of teeth. So that means 32 by 2, that means 16 the teeth, they are arranged on the upper jaw and 16 teeth, they are arranged on the lower jaw. So now let us study the types of teeth in this picture. See here, look the picture carefully, children. Here, see on the upper jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4 on the upper jaw and 1, 2, 3, 4 on the lower jaw. And these front teeth, the first front teeth on the upper jaw and the lower jaw, these teeth, they are called as incisors. What are those? The front teeth, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So total how many incisors are there? 8 incisors. How they are? They have straight and sharp edges. How they are? They have straight and sharp edges. And these teeth, they are helping in biting the food. If you want to bite any food like a fruit, like an apple or any other food item, we are using these incisors. So hence they are used for biting or cutting. These are called as cutting teeth or biting teeth. Got it, children? How many incisors are there? There are 8 incisors. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw. And next type of teeth. Next to incisors here. 1 on either side of the incisors. 1, 2 and on the lower jaw 1, 2. That means 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. These are called as canines. How many are there? Total 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 canines we have. How many canines? We have 4 canines. How they are? They are pointed. They are pointed. So being pointed, what is the function of canines? So as they are very pointed, they help to tear the food. So that's why these canines, they are called as tearing teeth. What are the canines called? The canines are called as tearing teeth. Why? Because they are pointed. So this is about the canines. So how many total? How many canines are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. How many incisors are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 incisors, 8 incisors and 4 canines. So next to canines are the premolars. What they are? Premolars. See, next to canines, 2 on either side of each jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4. On the upper jaw, 4, and on the lower jaw, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw. These next to canines, these teeth, they are said to be premolars. What are they? They are premolars. How are they premolars? They are broad and flat teeth. They are broad and flat teeth. So how many premolars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So altogether we have 8 premolars and they are flat and broad. So being broad and flat, they help in cracking the food. What is the function of premolars? They help in cracking the food. For example, cracking means what? Cracking means breaking the food into smaller pieces. For example, if you want to crack the nuts like almond or a walnut or any other nuts, we are using these, which teeth? These premolars. So hence they are used for cracking the food. These are called as cracking teeth. Got it, children? The premolars are called cracking teeth. So how many premolars total? How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So total 8 premolars are there. And one more point you have to remember, children. Premolars, they are seen as a part of permanent teeth. So premolars, they are not seen as a part of milk teeth. Only they are seen as a part of permanent teeth, and they appear at the age of 18 or 20 years. So these are about the premolars. So next to premolars at the last here. So these are premolars. Next to premolars, 3 on either side of each jaw. 3 on either side of each jaw. And these teeth, these are said to be molars. What are they? They are said to be molars. So total, that means 6 on the upper jaw and 6 teeth on the lower jaw. Count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. On the upper jaw 6 and on the lower jaw 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that means total how many molars are there? There are 12 molars. How many are there? There are 12 molar teeth are there. So see, children, they are broader than the premolars. How are the molars structure? See, they are broader than the premolars, and hence they are broader and flat. They help in grinding the food. How they are helping? They help in grinding the food. Grinding means converting the food into a fine paste. They convert whatever the food we eat. They are converting the food into a fine paste. And this, so as they are helping in grinding the food, these are known as, can you guess? What are these teeth called? What are the molars called? They are called as grinding teeth. Got it, children? The molars are called as grinding teeth. So how many molars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So total 12 molars are there. So one more about the molars is they are the biggest, broadest and toughest teeth. You have to remember, children. The molars are the biggest, broadest, and toughest teeth among all, and they are broader than the premolars, and they are called as what? Grinding teeth. So this is all about the teeth, types of teeth. So once again, how many types of teeth we have? We have 4 types of teeth. The front teeth, these are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. These front teeth because they help in cutting the food. So next 2 incisors are 1 on either side of the incisors, 2 on the upper jaw and 2 on the lower jaw. These are called as canines. They are sharp, and being sharp, they help in tearing the food. So as they help in tearing the food, these are called as tearing teeth. So next 2 canines, here 2 on either side of each jaw, 1, 2, 3, 4. That means 4 on the upper jaw and 4 on the lower jaw. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Total 8 teeth. They are said to be premolars, and they have broad surface and they help in cracking the food. And next 2 premolars are the molars. 3 on either side of the each jaw. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on the upper jaw and 6 on the lower jaw. So total 12 molars are there, and these are said to be grinding teeth because they help in grinding the food. So this is all about the types of teeth, and here it's a set of color. Regarding the color, here you can see. So how can we differentiate why they are different color? Means to differentiate the type of teeth, they are mentioned here. This color indicates incisors, and the color brown color, it indicates the canines, and premolars, this yellow color indicates the premolars, and blue color, it indicates the molars. So to differentiate, to identify fast which type of teeth we have. So for that sake, they have given here the color. So here, can you observe here? Here incisors are there, canines are there, molars are there. But what about the premolars? Premolars, they are not seen. That's why I said the premolars, they are not seen in the set of middle teeth. So that is the difference. Got it, children? Yes? Yes. So here also you can see the picture of types of teeth. So they have given here the structure. See, incisors, how they have? They are straight. Straight they have sharp edge. And what about the canines? The canines, they have very sharp, what? Pointed, so that they can tear the food. And what about the premolars? They have broad surface which help to what? Crack the food. And what about the molars? Molars are broader than premolars. See here, they are broader than the premolars. Not only broader than the premolars, they are broader than all teeth. Remember, children, the molars are the biggest, broadest, and toughest teeth. What they are? They are biggest, broadest, and toughest teeth of all the type. Is it clear? Yes. So the same incisors. How many incisors we have? If you want, you can see this picture and tell here how many incisors, where they are situated. They are called as front teeth. And how many are there here? 8. How many incisors we have? They are 8 in number. So how they are? They have sharp edges. They have sharp edges and they help in biting the food. So hence they are called as biting teeth. The incisors are called biting teeth. Why they are called, children? Can you guess? Because they help to bite the food. So next, canines. How many canines are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many canines here? The canines are 4 in number. And what's the function? What's the function of canines? So how they are? They are, see here, how they are? the canines are pointed. So being pointed, they help in tearing the food. So that's why they are called as tearing teeth. The canines are called tearing teeth. And next, coming to premolars. See premolars, how many are there again? How many premolars again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So again, we have 8 premolars. How many are there? 8 premolars. And see the structure here. They are broad and flat. So being broad and flat, what is the function of premolars? They help in cracking the food. Cracking means breaking the food into smaller pieces. So as they are helping cracking the food, they are called as cracking teeth. What they are called? They are called cracking teeth. And next to premolars are the molars. So how many molars are there here? Can you count once again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So how many molars are there? We have 12 molars. So what is the, see the structure here? So being broader, they are broader and they are flat. So being broader, they help in what? Can you guess? They help in grinding the food. So because as they are helping in grinding the food, they are also called as grinding teeth. They are called as grinding teeth. Is it clear, children? So this is all about the types of teeth. So total how many types of teeth we have? We have 4 types of teeth. Once again, we will revise types of teeth. We have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars and molars. So about the number, how many incisors we have? 8 incisors, and they help in biting the food. As they help in biting the food, they are called as biting teeth. And about canines, how many canines are there? 4 canines are there. They are said to be tearing teeth because they are pointed. So they are helping in tearing the food. The premolars, again 8 premolars we have. They are called as cracking teeth because they are helping in cracking the food. Again molars, 12 molars are there and they are called as grinding teeth because they help in grinding the food. One more we have to remember about premolars are the premolars, they are not seen as in the set of or milk teeth. So they appear after the age of 18 or 20 years. So that's about the types of teeth. Got it, children? So sometimes you may feel confused which type of teeth and how many number. Sometimes the type of teeth and how many number we can confuse. So if you are learning in a easy way, so how to use that easy way? See, I have 8 incisors and half of it are canines. What is it? I have 8 incisors and half of it are canines. Half of it means here 8 is there, half of the 8 is 4. So like that you have to remember. Once again, I have 8 incisors and half of it are canines. Again 8 premolars and 12 teeth are molars. Like this you can remember it easily. So about the function also, which type of teeth and which what the function is carried out, that also you have to remember. Then children, I have given assignment in the previous class. Can you remember that assignment what I have given? I have given that using the words tooth and teeth, you have to frame one sentence. Did you do that? Yes? Are you ready with your assignment? So one example I can give here, the example of what sentence. Listen here carefully. What is that sentence? You know already about difference between tooth and teeth. Tooth is a singular form and teeth is a plural form. So that sentence, what is that sentence? See, if I take care of every tooth, what is it? What is it? If I take care of every tooth, all my teeth will be in good condition. So if I take care of every tooth, all my teeth will be in good condition. So this is a sentence like this. Not only this, like this, you have to make a sentence of your own using the words truth and teeth. So that's about today's session. I think you have enjoyed it. Thank you, children.